So hello everyone, very warm welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So here we are learning about the drugs for pediatrics PG and UG practical viva examination. So without further delay, here we start. Here we are starting with phenytoin injection and tablet. Phenytoin injection, it contains 250 mg per 5 ml injection, and phenytoin sodium tablets, it's one tablet contains 100 mg. And syrup is Eptoin. It contains 30 mg in 5 ml. So here we are seeing like tablet, injection and syrup of phenytoin. So phenytoin is voltage gated sodium channel blocker. Mechanism of action is sodium channel blocker. What is the dose of phenytoin? It is used in loading dose 20 mg per kg IV, administered slowly at a rate less than equal to 1 mg per kg per minute and maximum 50 mg per minute. Dilute in normal saline only, not compatible with dextrose. तो NS से ही dilute करना है, and loading dose is 20 mg per kg IV. Maintenance dose is 5 to 8 mg per kg per day in 2 to 3 divided doses. Oral or IV can be given. Therapeutic blood levels should be 10 to 20 microgram per ml. Adjust dose based on clinical response and serum level of phenytoin. So there are used seizure disorder, GTCS, generalized tonic-clonic seizures, focal seizures, status epilepticus, prevention of seizure in neurosurgical and post-traumatic head injury. Now tell me, what are the side effects of phenytoin injection? So you can remember like this: phenytoin, PHENYTOIN. It is P450 inducer, so affects metabolism of the other drugs. H for hirsutism, hepatotoxicity and hyperglycemia. E for enlarged gum, matlab gingival hyperplasia. N for nystagmus. Y for yellow brown skin, hyperpigmentation. T for teratogenicity, fetal Hydantoin syndrome if taken during pregnancy, so it is teratogenic drug. Osteopenia. I for inhibits folate and it can cause megaloblastic anemia. And N for neuropathy, peripheral neuropathy it can cause. So mnemonic is phenytoin. P450 inducer, hirsutism, hepatotoxicity, hyperglycemia, gingival hyperplasia, and nystagmus, hyperpigmentation, teratogenicity, osteopenia, megaloblastic anemia, and peripheral neuropathy. So monitoring required during injection phenytoin is serum phenytoin levels, LFT because it is hepatotoxic, CBC for anemia, megaloblastic anemia it can cause, and oral hygiene due to gingival overgrowth. So this is all about phenytoin injection. So our next drug is levetiracetam. So it is 500 mg in 5 ml, 500 mg per 5 ml, matlab 1 ml, 100 mg. So this is Livera 500 mg tablets, and Livera syrup is oral solution 100 mg in 1 ml. So what is mechanism of action of levetiracetam? It acts by binding to SV2A protein in synaptic vesicle, modulating neurotransmitter release. So this is mechanism of action of levetiracetam. What are the use? It can used in focal seizures, GTCS seizure, myoclonic seizure in epilepsy syndromes, status epileptic it can used. Side effects: levetiracetam is generally well tolerated and safe drug, and you can remember Levera, LEVERA for the side effects. L for lethargy, drowsiness and fatigue, emotional changes, it can cause irritability, mood swings and aggression, vertigo, dizziness, imbalance, eating less, matlab loss of appetite and weight loss, rash, though it is very rare, agitation and anxiety, may cause behavioral issues in children. So what is dose in status epilepticus? 20 mg per kg is loading dose and maximum 60 mg per kg is given. Maintenance therapy is initial 10 mg per kg per dose. BD dose is given in BD dose oral, maximum 60 mg per kg per day. So it is given in BD dose 10 mg per kg per day and maximum dose is 60 mg per kg per day. So this is all about levetiracetam. Next is midazolam nasal spray. So it is 0.1, 1.25 mg in 0.1 ml. So this is nasal spray as you can see here. So what is midas spray use? Here you can see midas spray. तो अगर चाइल्ड स्टेटस एपिलेप्टिकस में आता है तो क्या करना है? कंटिन्यूअस सीजर है, चाइल्ड शुड बी पुट इन रिकवरी पोजीशन टू प्रिवेंट एस्पिरेशन ऑफ द फूड. रेस्क्यू मेडिकेशन मतलब मिडाजोलम रेस्क्यू मतलब कि उसी मोमेंट पे सीजर को स्टॉप करता है. तो मिडाजोलम बकल और नेजल स्प्रे 2 पॉप्स पर 5 kg वेट. सो 0.1 mg per kg per dose is the मिडा स्प्रे डोज. सो 5 to 10 kg का बच्चा है तो 2.5 mg डोज है. 11 to 20 में 5 mg, 21 to 40 kg में 7.5 mg, मोर देन 40 kg में 10 mg उसका डोज है. मे रिपीट वंस आफ्टर 5 to 10 minutes if seizure persists. So what are the use? Acute seizure, status epilepticus, rescue therapy. Febrile seizure prolonged है तो इमरजेंसी मैनेजमेंट ऑफ सीजर एट होम और ड्यूरिंग ट्रांसपोर्ट. तो अगर होम पे अगर ट्रांसपोर्ट में सीजर कंटिन्यूस आ रहा है तो आप मिडा स्प्रे यूज कर सकते हो टू अबॉट द सीजर एपिसोड्स. व्हाट आर द साइड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ मिडा स्प्रे? इट इज स्नूज. अवर निमोनिक इज स्नूज. So sleepy and drowsiness, and for nasal irritation, over sedation or for oxygen decrease मतलब respiratory depression, zoning out मतलब confusion, and emesis मतलब vomiting. Sleepy, drowsiness, over sedation, respiratory depression and vomiting. Because this is midazolam is used in sedation also, so it can cause sedation in this patient. So uses 2 puff per 5 kg, 0.1 to 0.2 mg per kg per dose is used midas spray. So the next is sodium valproate. This is sodium valproate 500 mg tablet, and valproate injection 100 mg in 1 ml injection. Is valproate syrup 200 mg 5 ml. Sodium valproate oral solution. So what are the uses of valproate? GTCS, abscess seizure, myoclonic seizure, juvenile myoclonic epilepsy, status epilepticus, continuous prophylaxis in febrile seizure. So these are the use of valproate. Oral dose, syrup or tablet form में oral dose क्या है 10 to 15 mg per kg per day in 2 to 3 divided doses and increase by 5 to 10 mg per kg per week as needed and usually used in 20 to 30 mg per kg per day and maximum up to 60 mg per kg per day. IV dose क्या है same as total daily dose as oral and divided every 6 to 8 hourly मतलब TDS में देना है. Use when oral is not possible like in status epilepticus, NPO, नील पर oral है, vomiting कर रहा है बच्चा तो IV इंजेक्शन यूज कर सकते हैं. What are the side effects of valproate? So you can use this mnemonic VALPROATE. Valproate है उसका side effects vomiting, alopecia, liver toxicity. So this is also valproate. Liver toxic, L for liver toxic. It can cause pancreatitis, rash, edema, obesity, weight gain कराता है valproate, ataxia, tremor, thrombocytopenia, encephalopathy due to hyperammonemia. So valproate VAL उसका spelling से याद रखना है तो vomiting, alopecia, liver toxicity, pancreatitis, rash, edema, weight gain, ataxia, tremor, encephalopathy due to hyperammonemia. So this is use, dose and side effects of valproate. So this is phenobarbital syrup 5 ml 20 mg 20 mg in 5 ml phenobarb syrup and this is phenobarb injection 200 mg in 1 ml injection. So what is the use of phenobarb? Neonatal seizure, first line drug is phenobarbital, status epilepticus after benzodiazepine. Side effects of phenobarb, psychological changes, irritability, hyperactivity, hypotension, excess sedation, nystagmus, neurological effects, overdose causes respiratory depression. So you can use this mnemonic pheno. Psychological changes like irritability, hyperactivity, hypotension, sedation, nystagmus and neurological effects and overdose of phenobarbital can cause respiratory depression. It can cause sedation. So what is dose of phenobarbital? For seizure control in neonatal seizure and status epilepticus, 15 to 20 mg per kg IV or IM slowly given. Maintenance dose is 3 to 5 mg per kg per day, once daily or in 2 divided doses. So mostly सब anti-epileptic drug का loading dose same ही है 20 mg per kg loading dose देना है और maintenance में 3 to 5 mg per kg per day in 2 divided doses. So this is dose, side effects and use of phenobarbital. Next we are seeing clobazam tablet. It is 10 mg in 1 tablet. So what is use and side effects and dose of clobazam? Is drug of choice for intermittent prophylaxis for febrile seizure is clobazam. Dose is 0.5 to 1 mg per kg per day in 2 divided doses for 3 days without tapering and maximum dose is 20 mg per day. So febrile seizure का intermittent prophylaxis में drug of choice है clobazam. Maintenance dose देना है तो less than 6 years maintenance of seizures less than 6 years age में 0.1 mg per kg per day OD or BD and up to 0.3 to 1 mg per kg per day. Maximum dose is 20 mg per day. What are the side effects? Is clobazam only. Confusion, lethargy, oversedation, behavioral changes like aggression, irritability, ataxia, zombie-like, like sedated, appetite loss, mood swings. What are the use? Adjunct therapy for epilepsy, especially in focal seizure, Lennox-Gastaut syndrome, refractory or breakthrough seizures, and febrile seizure intermittent prophylaxis. So these are the use and side effects and dose of clobazam. So this is all about anti-epileptic drug. Thank you.